Hey, I'm DK Brantley. Oh, yes, Brody? Okay, I'm DK Brantley, and I'm getting to that, Brody. Sorry about that. Brody wants to make sure that I ask about you. Thank you, Brody. I'm going to... Okay. It's not all about me, I get it. So, I'm DK Brantley. Who are you? Ah, neat. And what do you like doing? Really? That is so fun. I like writing books and playing music. I like going fishing and playing games. But sometimes, even though I do all this fun stuff and I love it, sometimes I wish I was somebody else. Do you ever feel that way? And who do you wish you could be? Really? That would be fun. Well, it may seem crazy, but everyone wishes he or she could be somebody else every once in a while. Even cool monsters want to be somebody else. And that's what my little book, Plain Old Frankie, is all about. Yes, Brody, that's what I'm about to do. Sorry. Brody loves this book and is really hoping that I'll read it to him again. Do it on the video? Should I read this on the video? Would you guys like to read Plain Old Frankie with me? Alright, well great, let's do it. Plain Old Frankie. Some mornings, Mom and Dad don't wake me up. The sun does. On those mornings, I pull the blankets over my head, close my eyes, and imagine what life would be like if I weren't plain old Frankie. I could be a werewolf howling at the moon. Or a vampire flying back to my castle. I picture myself as a mummy, mending my worn bandages. Or a guild creature lurking underwater. Bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop. Then comes a knock. Frankie, says Mom. Time to get up, says Dad. I open my eyes and look at my plain old hands and my plain old feet. I'm just plain old Frankie, living with my plain old parents, resting in my plain old bed. But I don't need to be a werewolf or a vampire, a mummy or a guild creature. I might be plain, and my family might be plain too. But we're more than plain. We're plain old great. Was that fun? Brody, did you like it? Did you like it, kids? All right, fantastic. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.